Hey friends, we are here to do a cash stuffing for my YouTube paycheck. I'm super duper excited, and before we get into anything, I need to say a humongous thank you to you all, because without you, this video would not be possible, especially my members. Just a huge shout out, because once again, I know you choose to support me. It is a conscious decision that you make, and I just appreciate you so much. Okay, so let's show you the money. So my YouTube paycheck, I got it in February. It was for January, was $189. So we're going to put 50 to taxes, 75 to vacation, and 64 to Christmas. And yes, I am super excited about it. I have the money here already broken up, so I'm just going to push that to the side. All of this money is prop money, because all of this money is just going to get transferred directly into my savings account. So, you know, I'm not pulling anything out of the bank or anything like that. So we're going to start with taxes, because that is the most boring for sure. I still have not done my taxes, you guys. I started them. I did start them. But I am just procrastinating. I just need to print out like all of my receipts for my expenses for my Etsy shop and things like that. And I'm really just procrastinating, because I literally have to print out an entire year of receipts, because I did not do it as I went last year. I just was lazy and now I'm paying for it. So yeah, I really need to get on that. So let me know, did you guys file your taxes yet? Okay, so with the 50, we now have 250 in here. And one thing I realized, I paid my quarterly taxes. That is wonderful, but I never really saved any money to actually like pay to have my taxes done. So all of this might actually have to come out, and then I'll be behind for quarterly taxes this year. I think the first quarter payment is probably due in April or March even. So I need to get on saving. I don't know how much I want to put away or pay towards quarterly taxes. I'm waiting to do my taxes till I see, but yeah, I'm running behind. I need to get on that, because it's very important that I have that done. So yeah. Okay, now that we have taxes done, let's work on vacation. So $75 is going towards vacation, and for vacation, we are working on Carmen's 2024 book. I think I want to first finish off the puzzle piece page, because I don't think I have too much to go. And then that's a big page that will be done. So we'll finish this first, and then we'll do some scratching. I did sell some more stuff on Marketplace. So I think I have around $460 right now to stuff in here, $460, which is amazing. And I probably want to bring that soon, just so that, you know, that's like a good chunk. That's going to really bump this up. So maybe next week, we'll see what videos are looking like these next 2 weeks. But that might come next week. Yeah, and that's just going to get us that much closer to finishing this. Okay, 75. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, and 3. So we'll have $57 left when we finish this page. And so I'm just going to go ahead and really quickly color this. I will skip you guys past it, and I will be right back. Okay, we finished it. Yay! So now we could officially move on in the book and not have to flip back anymore. Yes, I am super excited. Let's see. It looks like this is where we left off. So we have $57 left. I think we could finish this page and then work on this page. So yeah, I'm just going to scratch these 4, and then I will subtract them. So yeah, with that extra money that I have from selling things, like I said, that's going to give me a big jump here. Last time we stuffed this, I believe I was up to 1,200 in this book, which is amazing. And once again, I don't know if I'm going to get this entire book finished before we leave in April, but I sure am going to try. I told you guys we booked our family vacation, which is another cruise, and I told you I had just under $800 to pay for the deposit for that. That needs to be paid. So in addition to what I'm saving for the cruise we're going on in April, I need to pay the deposit. And then I also booked the insurance coverage for the cruise. Okay, let me go ahead and subtract these. -3, 5, 7, and 2. All right, so we're down to $40. So I booked the insurance. That was, I believe, $153 total. And I will never not get the insurance. I actually had to use it a few years ago. I had a cruise booked. It was actually a cruise that I was going on by myself without my husband and the kids. I was supposed to go with his parents and then my mom and her boyfriend. But first I got COVID. So I didn't think I was going to be able to go. And that was back when you still needed to have a negative COVID test to go. But then I actually got over COVID in time, and my husband ended up needing emergency gallbladder surgery. He had to get his gallbladder out. So I could not go. And so I had to actually use the cruise insurance plan and get a refund for the cruise and everything like that. So since then, I will never not get the insurance coverage. So that's another thing that I put on my credit card that has to be paid off. So between the insurance coverage and the cruise deposit, it's almost another $1,000 that I need to come up with to pay. So, all right, let's see, -5, 1, 3, 2, and 10. We have $19 left. Let's go again. Okay, we have 7 and 1, and I think we could go one more time. And we got a 5. Okay, perfect. So let's subtract the 5. We have $6 left. All right, I'm super happy with the progress we made. We only have 3 more scratches on this page, and I know there's another coloring page. So because we finished the puzzle page, this is going to be the new like catch-all page for when I finish, you know, when I only have a few dollars left like this. This is going to be the new page, and this is much easier to color than those puzzle pieces. So we're going to do a 5 and a 1, and we will be done. I can't wait to see how much we have now in this book. And like I said, with that $460, I think I said it was, that I have to go in here, I'm just super, super excited. So let me put the money in. I'm gonna set that aside, grab the binder. And how are you guys? It's Monday, February 24th. I think you're gonna probably see this video tomorrow. So let me know what's been going on. I hope you're having a great start to your week. And yeah. All right, so we have 50. Oh, this is good because this evens out our 50s now. We had an odd number. All right, so in here we now have 1, 200, 53, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2, so that's 1,200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1276. Yes, 1276. And I want to add up on here 1276 plus, what did I say I had? 460, I think. Yeah, I think I have 460. So plus 460. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how close that's gonna get us. Yes. I am so excited. Okay, so let's put this away for now till the next stuffing. And last but not least, we are going to work on Christmas. Whoops. I do need to keep Christmas going, even though I'm only putting $64 in there. I want to try to stay on track with my goal of getting my entire Christmas binder done by the end of October. So this is my festive and feisty binder. It is available in my Etsy shop. This is a $2,000 version, but there is also a $1,000 version. And yeah, I finished 1 and 2 challenges. So we're working on this challenge, Let's Get Elfed Up. And let's see, we have 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, $64, but we do have a $3 IOU, so 64 minus 3. We have 61 left to work with, and I feel like I should get a 40 out of the way because it's $40. It's a huge one. So let's just go ahead and do that. And that's basically all our money. So minus 40, we have 21 left. And I think between these two, it's going to be more than 21, but we'll see. I was surprised last time with these low numbers. Okay, so a 10. I wonder if we can get an 11 or less. Let's just see how this goes. Minus 10. Okay, ready? Oh, yes, it's a 4, you guys. Oh, yeah, baby. That makes me really happy. Okay, so we have $7 left, actually. Okay, so the only thing left on this page is 140, but rather than have like a 30-some dollar IOU, I think what I'm going to do is there's a 10 here. So I think I'm going to color this in and have a $3 IOU again. And then next time, as long as I have $40 to stuff in here, I'll finish out this final 40 and then we can fully move on to this page. So let's see, this is Slay All Day, baby. And I'm going to put the IOU still on this elf page just so I know that it's not quite finished yet. But then again, once we move on to this next challenge, we will already have the 10 finished. So I feel good about that. These are big numbers, 30s and 20s. So I might have to go back and forth between this one and the scratching. I don't know. We're going to see how it all plays out. But for now, let's go ahead and put the money in, and then this video is over. So let's see. All right, so for Christmas 2025, we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 450, 60, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9. What did I say? 479, I think. $479 for Christmas 2025, baby. Yes! That makes me super duper happy. All right, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for all of your support, for sticking with me, watching till the end of the video, for all of your support on YouTube and Etsy. Once again, this stuffing would not be possible without you all. I appreciate you all so much. I'm so thankful for you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.